right, today we will be opening Pokemon cards. So here's the first one we will be opening. Danny will not be here to open, so let's get straight to it. Let's see what cards we got. So we got a Feebas, and we got a Charmander, a Great Ball, Sonia, Trainer, Sizzlepede, Energy Switch, and Bidoof. Ooh, this is a World Champions card. It's a we got a Quick Ball. You got a Ninetales. You got Shauna, Trainer. You got Sizzlepede again. You got a Lanoon, I think that's how you pronounce it. We got a Toxapex. We got Dan, Trainer. We got Volcarona. We got Shauna again. We got Raboot. We got Sonia again. We got Hawk. We got Boss's Orders. We got Energy. We got more energy. Even 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 more energy. And we got a Polygon Z, and it looks like this. I don't know what that means. And now we're gonna open the actual. It came with another pack. We got the pack I opened. So we got Rare Candy, Trainer. I don't know how that works. We got Solrock for the pack. We got Lunatone, coincidence. Energy. We got Heliosisk. We got foil Helioptile. We got Grubbin. We got Energy Search. We got Salandit. We got Oddish, and we got Coffin. Alright, so this is the box that we will be opening. And supposedly it has some pretty good cards in it. Let's see. Nope. How do you open this thing? Okay. So it looks like we got a foil Sprigato, a foil Quaxley, a foil Fuecoco, I think that's how you pronounce it. And then we have this. I don't know what that is. And then we have a bunch of packs. Let's get all these packs out. Oop. So here are all the packs we got. So we got Scarlet and Violet, one of them. We got another Scarlet and Violet. We got Scarlet and Violet Paldea Evolved. Same one, Silver Tempest, and 2 Silver Tempest. Alright, so here are the first 2 packs. So we got a Fletchling. We got a Basic Energy. We got a foil Tinkaton. We got a, looks like foil or something, Frigibax. We got same thing, foil something Mankey. A Passymon. A Dunsparce. A Supporter Trainer Falknar. A Tropius. A Supporter Trainer Clavo. A Voltorb. A Basic Energy. EX. I don't know how you pronounce that. Tell me in the comments. Tandy Moss. This garbage thing. Oh, foil slaking thing. A great ball, foil great ball. A Spidops. A Zewas, I don't know how to pronounce that. A Fari Giraffe. A Fiococa. A Sea-Tide Bottle. And a Nacli. Alright, so these are the next 2 packs. Let's see what we get. So we got a Swirlix. We got a Regenerative Energy. Regenerative. Duision. V-Guard Energy. Just basic energy. Looks like foil Rapidash. If you look at the picture. Looks like foil Emolga. Indeedee. Marini. Mischievous. Squabaloo. Ninetales again. Leafy Camo Poncho. Slurperf. Energy. Vicini. Foil Ralts. Ferroseed. Smeargle. Esper. Dratini. And Chinchou. Not really any rare ones in there. So this is the last and final pack of that tin foil box. So you got basic energy. Oh! Garvador EX. Looks pretty rare because it's a full screen card. A full card again. Not an EX though. A foil Dolliv. A trainer Alvin. Espartha. A Ultra Ball. A Mareep. A Sandile. A Kanisa. A Bruxus. A Basic Energy. A foil Skeletordirge. Foil Maleep. Foil Katie Trainer. Dash Bun. Instead of Dash Bun, Dash Bun. Vivillon. Muck. Skiddo. Clauncher. Varoom. And Energy Switch. Right, now we're going to be unboxing the Roaring Moon EX box. Let's get straight to it. See what we get. Alright, so we got the big Roaring EX card. Wow. Giant. So they call it oversized. And there's more cards here. If I can figure out how to get. Cards are like stuck. Oh, there. Oh. So we got the Roaring Moon EX, the regular card. Mm-hmm. We got the Ancient Booster Energy Capsule. And we got the Brute Bonnet Ancient. Time to open the packs. First card, we got an energy. Next card, we got a Gligar. I think that's how you pronounce it. We got a Nickit. We got a foil Deoxys. We got a foil Wiglet. We have a plus foil. Oops, we got a Durant. We got a Trainer Pokemon Tool Technical Machine Evolution Garbodor. We got Fuecoco again and Blipbug. Next pack.
You warm up the biscuit and the cheese.
This was the. See if we'll get any. We didn't get anything good with the last pack. See if we get anything good with this pack. Nope. The basic fire energy. Oh, an EX Miascata. A reversal energy. A foil Makuhita. A Trainer Faulkner. A Sea Titan. A Grafii. A Frigidex. A Glimmet. A Combi. And a Noiset. So I pulled something good out of that back. What about these two? Let's see if we put this pack looks good. Yep, took it the wrong way. We got a basic energy again. I think that comes in all these packs. Foil Scovillian. Foil Lunatone. Houndoom. A Altria. A Volcarona. Trainer Ortega. Yungoos. Charmander. Dratini. And Oddish. Are we missing any cards? I thought I saw something. Here. Alright, so we got Fiddle. Oh, I went the wrong way. Got Basic Energy. Foil Thievel. A Ancient Booster, same thing I got before. A Bounce Street foil. A Snorlax doll. A MP Bomb. A Luxurious Cape. A Nimble. A Nickit. And a Knockley. Alright. That's it.